The best washer and dryer sets right now. While washers do have more of an impact on your laundry experience, you don't want to get stuck with a bad dryer that has a low spin speed, giving you damp clothes for the next decade. Since we've been testing washers and dryers in our labs for years, we know what to look for in the best washer and dryer sets. At the top of our rankings, the Electrolux ELFW 7637 AIT/ELFE 7637 AIT washer and dryer combo offers one of the best performances we've ever seen in our labs. If you're looking for great value, we love the Maytag Pet Pro MVW 6500 MBK/MED 6500 MBK. The GE Profile PTW 900B PTRS washer, paired with the PTD 90EB PTRS dryer, can handle bulky items or larger laundry loads easily. The LG WashTower WKX 200 HBA makes shopping for washers and dryers a lot easier, as you only have to buy one machine, rather than two. For the very specific consumer who needs a compact washer and dryer set, the Miele WXR 860 WCS compact washer and the Miele TXR 860 WP Eco and Steam compact dryer is a solid bet. Want to learn more? Head to Reviewed.com.